Hi to everyone, it's Marco Leone, and today I am going to offer a reading about lost Malaysian plane Boeing number 370. It occurred on 8 March of 2014. It disappeared and did not found till today. I remember this case because 1 month earlier, before this happened, I was in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, in Penang, and when I returned in home after a month, I heard about this case. It was shock, not only for me, for everyone who heard it, because it did not shown up. We don't know anything about this case, what was happened here, how it disappeared, where it disappeared. There are many theories about this, about the crew, mine pilots, Captain Shah, about the cargo. You remember there was a cargo of lithium batteries on board. Also about two Iranian without passport, with fake passport passengers. Also conspiracy theories. So, okay, we are going to make spread by Magi method. It's ordinary playing cards. And today I want to make a basic 9-card spread and see what kind of energy is present about this case. Our question is what happened and who is responsible for this disappearing. I understand that we can make 3-card spread for every theories, see who is responsible, but in this case I want to make general reading and see what kind of energy and who is present in this spread, and make a general sense of what was happened. Okay, the first card is this box spread. We'll see, it's a cup overflowing. It's a 10 of hearts. The central card, the theme, this reading is clover. The 4 of clubs. And last card is 10 of spades, earthquake. So we have, it's very strange for me to see here the 4 of clubs, clover. It's about a lucky break, some lucky events, but also maybe for spontaneous action. It's very opportunistic card, but cup overflowing. It's about the feelings, the heart of full of feelings, joy, happiness, overflowing. When heart is bubbling by emotions. But the final card is an earthquake. It's a disaster. It is a card showing us about what is remaining after disaster. It's a grave card. It's a catastrophe, accident, disasters. It's about what happened. It means that this plane is lost forever. And also passengers, 227 people was lost. So okay, let's see what kind of cards we have in this spread. It's a box spread. Whoa, woman card shown. And the man. Two of diamonds. And Jack of clubs. It's very strange for me to see here woman and man. You see, it's look like a relationship spread, because two main person, the cards who represents usually the querents, woman and man, the king of hearts and queen of hearts, and also jack of clubs, but usually we cannot perceive this card as a man, as a person. It's maybe energy presented here. Okay, let's start. First of all, usually when we make this spread, we are considered that this row, first horizontal and vertical rows, are about the past, and this cross is about the present, and here is a future. But we are making a question, what happened? So we are not concerning what is now, what is will be in future. We are seeing about energies and peoples which participate in this case. What was happened is the question. First of all, we see the great joy, great happiness, then straight razor. It's the ace of spade. Ace of spade is about the pain, it's about the cutting here, and the Trinity. Trinity is usually the three persons, or maybe working together. It's about a crew. So the abundant joy and happiness was cut by the crew. Three persons, maybe three pilots. Okay, what we see here is a cup overflowing, woman, and diamond ring. I already said that it's very strange for me to see here woman, but as we know, in this deck, in the Magi deck, there's a two main person cards, and both are presented in this spread. The woman with cup overflowing and diamond ring. Seems like it's a married woman with joy, with happiness, and under her feet is a diamond ring. Diamond ring is about the marriage, it's about the contract, it's about the commitment and responsibility. Then we have straight razor, clover, and strange. Straight razor in this spread, it's about cutting, it's about decision, it's about change everything, pain. Clover, as we already said, is about lucky break, short-term luck, and so again. But it's also about spontaneous, opportunistic actions. And strange, jack of clubs. It may be about endurance. It's very rooted card as a club suit. A new situation, new rooted situation is presented here. And then 3 of diamonds, Trinity. I think it is about the crew. Man, maybe pilot from this crew. And earthquake, disaster, the final step to the grave. You see, 10 is about the final steps, not it's a aftermatch. What was happened? It's a we have here 2 tens, abundant joy. In the beginning of spread, abundant joy, abundant happiness, and abundant grief. Everything is lost, everything is end. But see what is going here in the center of this reading. Woman and man, they are looking each and another, and they are looking at clover. 4-leaf clover. 4-leaf clover usually in a relationship spread. As I said, it's very seems like a relationship spread. 4-leaf clover means getting lucky sexually. It's joy, maybe one night stand. But if it's so, we are telling about a pilot. We see here, I think, the pilot. Pilot and energy of woman. I don't know. The main pilot in this flight was a Captain Shah. I don't know what was going his life, but seems that the cause of this catastrophe is crew and main pilot. It is something going on with him and with woman, married woman. Straight razor is presented here. It's about to divide him. Also the strange and the Trinity. It's new situation, and in love reading it's about a third person, third party. It seems like something was going on between these two people. If we take Trinity as a beauty, as a nice woman, beauty woman, then we have here new third party. But anyway, let's see what we get if we add the cards. 10 of clubs is a 10. The queen is a 12. So 22 and 2 is 2, 24. 24 we have a 6 of spades. It's incubus succubus. Incubus succubus is very sexual card. Very selfish. It's about also addiction. But main theme of this card is stealing the energy from the person. So we have here incubus succubus, sexual card, selfish card. Ace is 1, plus 4 is 5, and plus 11. 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 is 4 of spades. 4 of spades is a coffin. It's end. It's illness. It's depression. Literally, it's a death. So we understand what is going here. But maybe by this new situation, by this cut of luck, we have depression with these two people, these two persons. 3 plus 13, it's a 16, plus 10 is a 26. 26 is a finger of God. Finger of God. One of the best cards in this deck. It's about destiny, it's about karma. It's 7 of diamonds. So it's a destiny. It's a destiny to be end. Okay. Let's add this card. 2 plus 11, 13. Plus 10, 23. 23 we have 6 of clubs. It's olive tree. It's about rootedness. It's about long time. It's about health. So energy here again is rootedness. Long time. It's a new connection. A rooted connection is presented here. Okay, these 3 cards is a 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 13 it's a 29. It's water into wine. Water into wine, you know, it's about transformation. It's about abundance. It's about drunkenness. So between these two people, two persons, it's a transformation. Not so bad for them, but something was transformed. And this 3 card, 10 plus 1 is 11, plus 3 is 14, it's cornerstone. Cornerstone, it's about money and all things which we can buy by money. So, again, I have feeling that in this case, in disappearing of this Boeing, the main person, the main suspect from this spread we have made here is the man and crew. Man, mind built. Not the terrorist is presented here. No terrorist. No lithium batteries accidentally. But maybe what he done was accidentally and opportunistic. Also the woman. Man and the woman are causing this catastrophe. If you see the corners of this spread. Everything is starting by overflowing joy and happiness with a woman. And everything is ended by earthquake, by grave. Also, the two of diamonds, it's a diamond ring, and Trinity. It's about the contract, it's about working together, it's about crew of this plane. See what is knighting the woman card. Woman card is knighting the Trinity and knighting the earthquake. Maybe she was a part of crew. She was on a plane. The main card is knighting. Cup overflowing, very happy card, and two of diamonds, contract, commitment. And let's see what is knighting this end card. It is knighting the woman, and it knights a straight razor, the catastrophe. These two cards are what we have, what we know about this plane, that it was disappeared with 227 passengers, and we did not know anything about what happened and what causes this catastrophe. Okay, let's make now 3-card spread now, asking the cards. Was the captain of the Boeing is responsible for disappear this Boeing? Again, again is the main card. So our question is, was the Captain Shah is responsible for this disappearing? Oh my God. Yes, I think it's clearly yes. We have a man, again, the main pilot, the diamond ring, the contract, and player. Player is about risk, about new chance, new energy here. So it was Captain Shah, and I see some new commitment here, something new. Maybe contract, maybe he was responsible, she has responsibility about what's happened. I don't know exactly, but let's count it. 13 plus 2 is a 15, and plus 11 is a 26, and again we have finger of God. It's a destiny, it's a karma, it's a chance for people, but also here I think it's a destiny. The shadow card is handcuffs. Handcuffs about yoked together, about, it's a card about the strangers also, about being responsible before someone. 2 twos we see here. So it's about communication. It's about two people. This player, this Jack of Diamonds, maybe represent here not exactly the man, but also young woman of an energy of player is risky. He or she is well dressed, very handsome, and very risky. It's a new relationship, and they are yoked together. Okay, so from this two spread, I have one conclusion. It was a mine pilot of this flight who was responsible for this pairing. Thank you to all. It was Marco Leone with Magi method. Bye.